Hello, you guys. Hello. I'm doing a video called Reacting to Themes. And at the same time, I'm doing live in real life right now. So, yeah, you probably pretty much right here. But here's my opinion of this theme. I know many of you guys have your own opinions of this theme, but it's too girly. And it kind of looks like, I don't know, the Care Bears. When I was little, I used to watch that show, but now no more. I've grown, and it kind of looks like Care Bears. It's not my style. I really don't like it. I only bought this because I just don't like the theme. So I can't wait for this Thursday and what the new theme's gonna be about. But this is my opinion. I really don't like the theme. It's not my thing. And I know it's not some of you guys' theme. Hey! The animations are okay, but I don't like them that much, so it sucks. I don't know. This theme just don't speak to me. It's too Care Bear, like, and the hair is like, what the fuck? No, MSP, you can do better. This is just my opinion, and I hope I don't get locked out or anything because of my opinion. Night, Nick, Nick Jack. Hello, Nick Jack. It's not that pizzazz. Anyways, this is just my opinion of this theme. I want to know what is your guys' opinion in the comments. I see you on my next video. Bye.